What the fuck are you doing to my administration? You need to relax. We're doing the right thing. That's what Admiral Yamato said on the morning he attacked Pearl Harbor. I'm not Admiral Yamato, but you've put me in the exact position he was in 70 years ago. One learns little from victory, but much from defeat. Japan is 70 years wiser, Mr. Prime Minister. You're driven by revenge. I'm driven by patriotism. The Americans were the ones that shoved their guns down our throats and threatened us with war if we didn't kiss their asses. If they had minded their fucking business, there would never have been a war. No atomic bombs, and our children wouldn't be living in America's version of Japan. Akira, you can't change what happened in 1853. I've never seen a man haunted so much over shit his ancestors did. The Shogun was a weakling, but I am not. Where my ancestor failed, I will